Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's in this video we'll gonna learn how you can render these shiny and smooth surface fabrics like vinyl and leathers. So there is no no grain lines and that. So what you have to do is just observe the light and depths of the surface by observing the material. So the surface is like very shiny and soft and smooth at the same time. So here I am telling you how you can achieve those shines and depths at the same time. So yeah, first you have to apply the base color, and the color could be any like red, yellow, blue, green, orange, or maybe holographic, right? So you have to apply the base color like I am doing here. You have to leave those area where the light hit most. Like my light source is just front of this crookie, so I'm leaving the front area and covering the whole area like sides of this pant with the solid black color. I'm not applying the gray or any version of black. I'm just applying the black, solid black color in the sides of the pants, like so. Now what you have to do is just dilute some water, black color, and apply the grayish tone at the edges of this black solid color. So it soothing the light and smoothing the harsh edges, so it gives the natural effect to the garment. Like I'm showing you here, I'm just softening the edges and grading the colors perfectly. and also not apply the gray color all over the shiny area, like I'm leaving the white space where the light hit most. Always blend the color properly. So yeah, this is how you can render the shiny and leathery surface very easily. And now I am applying the white highlights, teeny tiny highlights with the white gel pen. And yeah, so this is this much easy. You can achieve any color with this technique or with this method. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. If you do so, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'm so blessed that you loved my previous video, and yeah, I'm very thankful to you guys. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, bye.